Now Mr. Chippie is 6 miles away and he's going to come towards base from his ropey for CB position. This is the PNI 8024 radio, and it does full 4 watts and it receives very well. So let's see whether we can get him on it. Tango 21, Mr. Chippie, do you copy? Excellent, if you'd like to head towards me then, over. Roger, got you going over Rossby level crossing. So like the 8000 and the 8001, the only difference with this is got a 24 volt onboard regulator to use in a lorry without using an external voltage dropper. So in UK mode, FM position is in the UK set of channels. The AM position, confusingly, is the CPT set of FM channels. Lock, front panel lock, normal for the channel change, or channel 19. Roger, got you at the Grayleys turn. Up down on the radio, up down on the mic, auto squelch on the mic, squelch, auto squelch sensitivity, and on off volume. And it has an extension speaker socket at the back, and we're listening to this on its own speaker, hence it being propped up on that remote control, which is the way we always do these. Roger, got you at the Kelby turn. Roger, that's affirmative, it's a third of the PNI sets.
Yeah, I'd say transmit audio wise, you do have the edge over the CCTV. It sounded a little edgy, that one, a little bit, top edgy.
Yep, Roger, okay, that's nice to hear. These are identical, the 8000, 8001 and this 8024, but they just have a few different features over. And it stood out as not being as good over.
On transmit audio, I mean, it seems to work well, range-wise and everything, I had no issues. It's a bit, a bit fuzzy around the edges on transmit audio compared to these.
Okay, Roger on that. Well, I'll be recording to our base station so viewers can tell for themselves over. Roger, got you at Wilsford level crossing.
Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie, it's going round Scratchy Corner at Wilsford, over.
Roger, got you going round Scratchy Corner. And on the other two sets, the meter on this isn't something you can adjust, it's just how it's made. When we tested it, it was 3 lights for S9. And, what does that mean? I don't know. You just got 4 lights, they don't say anything. And on transmit, it lights up with all 4. Well, we turn the power down to 1/2 watt, it still lights up with all 4. So it means nothing. It's just a glorified TX light.
Oh, just going over the top of the hill as we descend back into Ancaster, over.
Roger, got you over the top of the hill. Roger, got you at Ancaster Crossroads.
Now passing Ancaster service station, over.
Roger, got you at Ancaster service station. So that concludes the test, thank you.
Roger that. Should be clear.
Okay, so I'll just go and do a bit to the base station, just so you can all see what that sounds like.
Tango 21, testing the PNI 8024 into our Harrier base station, testing 1 2 3 4 5 5 4 3 2 1. Thank you for watching.